Well, well, well. So the time has come. It is going to be 2023. We got through another year. And who'd have thought that the last thing that I'm going to be pressing for 2022 would be a pair of socks. There's actually a couple of these. Only five pairs. But, and these are, of course, El Chavo del Ocho. If you are Latino, then you know all about this old school TV show. I grew up on it. I love it. Fue sin querer queriendo. That was, one of his famous lines. But that will be the last thing, or this will be the last thing I press for 2022. There's 5 pairs of those socks. I wanted to get on and personally thank all of you who have watched us, supported us, have watched me share this guy so much. He's become a huge part of my content. I want to thank all the companies who reach out constantly, the companies who send him gifts, not even me. They'll send me gifts to give to him. They know him by name. They know his birthday. Even things that I wouldn't think they know, they always call and ask me or, check in on us to see, how he's doing with it. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You want to say thank you also?
Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you for all the support you've given us.
Thank you for all the support that you've given us.
Right, and for watching us all of 2022.
For watching us of all 2022.
And we're going to go bigger in 2023.
We're going to go bigger in 2023.
We are. Keep working. Keep striving to be your absolute best. Keep growing your businesses. Look, I mean, if you look behind me, this machine alone, maybe that one over there, right? And there's a couple more around me, and now we've added DTF, we've added embroidery. We need a little more training on the embroidery, which isn't too far away. But we're going into 2023 with 2 brand new machines. I mean, I've always been able to do it. I've always offered it, but now we don't have to outsource anymore. So we're going to start 2023 with the bang. A lot more things that are going on as well. Working on this next record. I haven't released an album in 4 years or something. And so, we're working on that. That's going to be fun. More acting. And I want to do, more things that maybe might not be t-shirt related, but are things that I've always done. I'm trying to go back to a lot of the things that I used to do that I wasn't able to do. 2022 was also a hard year for us as well, with the move, selling of a house, and a lot of things that happened that needed to happen. But in hindsight, looking at stuff that happened, I was like, oh my God, the end of the world. It was the best thing that ever could have happened to me. I'm in a place right now where I never thought that I would be at mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, right? I mean, of course, I still suffer with some depression and things like that we're always going to have to work through. But one of the key takeaways for me for 2022 is feeling like nothing is impossible. You can get through it. You can go through it and get through what I should have said. At the end of it all, what matters the most is learning to put yourself first. You are more important than anything else. Your mental health, your spiritual health, your physical health. You should come before anything and everyone. And that's what I learned to do. And in learning to do so, I grew. I multiplied in so many areas of my life. And I'm ending this year more happier than I've been in so long. And I hope that you guys are as well. Thank you again for watching, supporting what I do, my son, and all the craziness that goes around my life. Thank you for letting me watch your journey, for allowing me to support you as well. And I look forward to what 2023 is going to do for you. Thank you again for everything that you all do. And in fashion, I have to end my videos with this one thing. He does it now too. On that note, we out.